Namaste ji. I am Anil Kala. Welcome to Cult Live, and this is not just a session. This is not just a regular fitness or yoga session. This will be a different experience altogether. So we call it yoga and nature. So let's just get into it. Vinyasa is stamina, building the stamina, the strength, strengthening that core throughout the session. Let's all just stand up. Here we go. You just be there. I'm going to quickly demonstrate the first warm-up. Super easy. So we bend the knees. You can keep the palms here on the knees and you rotate this 5 clockwise and then 5 reverse. Just the knee rotation, right? So 5 we do it all together. Stand if you haven't already. All right, bend the knees, keep the palms here. Let's do it all together. 1 and rotate. 2, down and up. 3, down and up. 4, down and up. 5, reverse. 5, quick. 4, quick. 3 and quick. 2, 1 and relax. All right, next warm up. Feet together, we interlace the fingers, turn the palms out. Just see first, inhale and open the arms, lift up, open the chest, exhale and fold. Try and touch the palms down. You can keep the knees soft initially. Inhale and up, and we do that good 5 times. Let's do it all together. Interlace the fingers and lift the hands up. Inhale and arch, exhale and fold. Inhale and arch back, lift the hands, exhale and fold. Inhale and up, exhale again. Inhale, and this is 4th. Exhale, last. Inhale and up, exhale and fold. Inhale, come back up, exhale, release the hands. All right, so we open the legs a little. I'll quickly demonstrate our first sequence. You just be there, keep looking at me, keep looking at the view, and then we'll practice all together. So we join here again, come to the front. So we do our sequences, especially the first sequence, through Surya Namaskara A. How? I'll quickly demonstrate and then we'll practice all together. So Surya Namaskara A here from Samastatihi. Ekam inhale, Dve exhale, Treni head up, Chatwari jump or step back. Pancha inhale, Shat exhale, and then you jump between the palms, come to Druta Utkata. Let's challenge ourselves. Lift the hands up. Take the right leg back. Virabhadrasana 2. Strong Virabhadra. I'm looking at you, but you look to the front. Druta Utkata to the front. Virabhadrasana 2. Druta Utkata. Virabhadrasana 2. Okay, you just be here in Vajrasana. I'm going to quickly demonstrate the next sequence. All right, just be there. Here we go. And we start off with a quick Vinyasa. So Vinyasa basically Chaturanga, Urdha Mukha, Adho Mukha, and then we cross leg, jump. So first asana in this sequence will be Navasana. Second would be Paschimottanasana. Third would be bend the knees and Purvottanasana. Take the hands back, press the palms and lift the hips higher. Drop the head back. Again, drop the hips, lift the legs. Navasana, Paschimottanasana and Purvottanasana, hips up. We do this 5 times. On 5th, we try and hold for 3 breaths in each asanas. So you just be here. I'm going to quickly demonstrate the next sequence that is more fun. Let's try and do it. Chaturanga, Urdha Mukha, Adho Mukha, jump through, and we extend the legs out. So just 2 asanas, a flow of the 2 asanas. See how we do it. So So the first asana that we have is Sarvangasana, shoulder stand. As soon as you lie down, you lift the hips up, you keep the palms on the back. How? You just see. Be there, and we roll, lift the legs up. Toes pointed up, look up. And then you drop the legs back, try and touch it back. Then you open the legs, right leg to the right side, left to the left, come back up to Sarvanga. Drop it again to Halasana. Open, stretch, come back up. We do that 5 times. Post that, we hold in Sarvangasana 5 breaths, and we hold in Halasana 5 breaths. Then we release and take Shavasana. Roll slowly on the mat, hugging the knees to the chest. There you go. There you go. Beautifully done. Just relax now. Relax here. And release the legs. Join me in Shavasana now. We do it all together, right? Because we've been doing all the sequences all together. So Shavasana as well. Lie down comfortably. Open the hands, palms facing upwards basically. Toes relaxing on the sides. Keeping the eyes closed. Complete rest. Complete relax. Take a deep breath in and breath out fully. With that, remove the fingers, remove the toes, join the legs, stretch the toes out, take the arms over the head, and then turn to the right side. Sit up, sit back on the mat. Sit in a comfortable cross-legged position. You do not have to open the eyes. Just sit comfortably. Be there wherever you are. Settle in. Relaxed, refreshed, and then join the hands to the chest. We'll complete our session with just 1 Omkara, 3 Shantis, all together. Let us breathe in. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Rubbing the palms nicely. Covering the eyes and the face with the palms. Open the eyes, looking into the palms. And relax. Wow, what a different experience, huh? So for me, completely different and a great experience taking a live class from place like this. Until then, you take care. This is Anil Kala again, signing off from the Yoga and Nature. Take care and Namaste Ji.